Yeah.
This is the potato head. You put the nose in the potato head. Put the nose in there. Push it in. There you go. Yay! Okay, put his eyes on. Where does his eyes go? Put his eyes. Right there. Uh-oh. You do it. No, you do it. Good boy! You want to put a mustache on? That doesn't work, honey. I'm going to put... Nose. Where's his nose? Nose. Put his nose on. Put his nose on. Oh, it's okay. Here. Yay! You put his glasses on his eyes. Put glasses on his eyes. Where are his eyes? There are his eyes. You can take the eyes off and put the glasses on. There you go. Put them on Mr. Potato Head. Where does his mouth go? Put his mouth on there. Where does his mouth go? Mouth. Where does put his mouth? Right here. Right down here. You do it. Push it in. No, you do it. Push it in there. You're not even trying. Push it in there. Getting frustrated. How about put some eyes on there? Put some eyes. Where his eyes go? Push it in.
Mama.
Eyes. Look like Elmo's eyes. No, I'm not going to do it. You can do it. Good boy! But his arm. Where does his arm go? His arm goes right here. You pick your nose. Turn it this way. Here you go. This way. Goes this way. You go. Mr. Potato. Give Mr. Potato Head a kiss. Mwah. Give him high five. High five. Good boy. Alright, well, we're going to go because we got to get a Kleenex.